Hello again, back again with another unboxing. This time it's the Turtles box set. So Cowabunga is the first word that springs to mind for this one. Massive fan of the Turtles. Been looking for a Blu-ray box set of all 4 films for a while. Because I come from the UK, we don't actually have it here, so I had to get this shipped from America. But the good news is it's completely region free. So yeah, I'll play in any Blu-ray player. So that's good news for all of us. So right, let's get straight to it. So yeah, as you can see, it's the 25th Anniversary Collector's Edition. So it comes with it's a pizza box basically, which I find amazing. I just think they've gone all out with this. And look at that, you've got pizzas in the pizza box. So very cool. This is the bit that came at the back, and it goes in the back. It just kind of shows you everything that's in it. So you get hats, some cards, a signed sketch, and a comic book. So yeah, there you go, there's that. So let's get straight into it. There's all the... oh. Yeah, it's just telling you what's on each disc. Let's have a look at this. Cowabunga Dude, today's special. 8 of our finest character cards and a reproduction sketch. Oh, let's check this one out. Right. Well, there you go. It's a bit about the characters on each one of the cards. Very cool. Let's have a look at this. Is this the signed? Ah. That doesn't look. It appears to be the signature. I think is printed on, so it's not a real signature by the looks of it. Yeah. Still very cool. Next, the comic book. Oh, cool. Proper hard spine. Oh. Very cool. So yeah, I'll have to read that. The original comic book there. And you get a Turtles hat as well, with Made in China written on it as well. It's brilliant. And there you go, there's all the films. You've got 1 to 4, all different pizza flavours by the looks of it. Oh, fantastic. So yes, there you go guys, and thanks for watching. And I'll just pack this away. I really feel like some pizza now.